My name is Bob Denham. I'm a trained chef. Spent many years working in country clubs and white tablecloth restaurants. I love food and I love to make good food. I know that as a diabetic for the last 10 years or so, I have gone through lots of trials with my diet, which would be healthy for my condition of physical and mental approach to eating nutritious food. One of the things I have discovered is there is no carbs in good flavor. Carbs are important in our understanding of what we're doing. Words like diet, deprive, don't eat this, avoid at all costs, no. These are words that conjure up negative feelings and make a nutritious diet into a painful diet. Let's get rid of the word diet and let's talk about menu. And in a menu, you want a gourmet menu. You like a menu that makes you feel as though you're at a restaurant, that you're ordering wonderful food, but you're making it at home, and you're making it to increase your healthy nutrition.